Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Sketch, a leading design application. Sketch is a powerful vector graphics editor specifically crafted for Mac OS, making it a top choice for user interface and user experience design. It empowers designers to create stunning mobile applications, engaging web interfaces, and detailed icons. Its vector-based foundation ensures your designs remain sharp at any size, offering an intuitive workflow that saves countless hours. We will cover everything from obtaining the software to mastering its core functionalities. To begin your design journey, you will need to acquire the Sketch application. It is important to note that Sketch is a native Mac OS application, meaning it runs exclusively on Apple computers. You can easily download the software directly from the official Sketch website. The licensing model grants you access to all updates for 1 full year. After this period, you can continue using the last version you received, or simply renew your license to keep receiving the latest features and improvements. Once you have Sketch installed, understanding its interface is your next step. The central canvas is where all your creative work happens, providing an expansive area for your designs. To your right, the inspector panel offers precise control over every selected element, from colors and fonts to dimensions and effects. On the left, the layers list keeps all your design components neatly organized, allowing for efficient navigation and manipulation. Starting a new document is straightforward, giving you a blank slate to bring your ideas to life. To truly maximize your productivity, familiarize yourself with Sketch's core tools. Its powerful vector editing capabilities allow you to craft intricate designs that scale perfectly, from tiny icons to large artboards. Symbols are a game changer, enabling you to create reusable elements like buttons or navigation bars, ensuring design consistency with minimal effort. Furthermore, Sketch includes robust prototyping features, allowing you to build interactive flows and test user experiences directly within the application, making your design process incredibly efficient and collaborative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.